Okay, I will continue with the company formation. Okay, when you set up a company, so these are the documents that you need to have. Okay, the memorandum of association and the articles of association. Okay, the memorandum of association is like a birth cert of the company. So in the birth cert, you will have the name of the company, the location of the registered office, and the operation office might be in two separate locations. So, but you need to have the registered office stated in the memorandum. Then the objects of the company. So, maknanya what kind of business this company will be doing. Then statement that the liability of the members is limited, sebab dia ni adalah sendirian berhad. Okay, the amount of authorized capital which the company proposed to be registered. Okay, so if you need to raise your authorized capital, you can do so, tetapi you need to you have to have a special resolution, and then it has to be passed to the SSM, stating that you are making certain changes. Okay. Then the articles of association. Okay, the articles ni set out the rules covering the internal affairs. Okay, so internal affairs of the company, so such as the rights of shareholders and the powers and duties of the management. Okay, so some of the clause include the rights of different classes of shareholders. Okay, later on you will learn more about types of shares. They're the preference shares, they're the ordinary shares. Okay, and then the transfer of shares. Okay, shares ni boleh transfer from one party to another, tetapi there are documentations that need to be done. Okay, and then dia punya guidelines, and then the duties, powers and proceedings of the directors. Okay, there are certain guides, the do's and don'ts of a directors, so it will be stated in the article. Notice and proceeding of meetings. Okay, these are also need to be stated. So each company dia kena ada meeting yang dia kena carry out. Okay, that is the requirement of the SSM. And then the borrowing power of the company. Okay, it's not easy. Just because you set up a company, then you can just take loans and whatnot. So the article of association ni will put a limit. There are the guidelines on the internal affairs of the company. Okay. So I will stop here and I will continue later.